This is Panda. She's not just any dog. In her owner's eyes, she looks like a little panda bear. At about 10 years old, Panda may be a bit rusty around the edges, but her spirit is as bright as ever. She's like sunbathing with her owner. Every day, Panda and her owner sit here, soaking in the sunshine. This quiet companionship has become their favorite ritual. Panda's not just a pretty face, she's polite too. She loves greeting people with a handshake. Years of training have made Panda the perfect woman. She sits when told, waits patiently for her treat, and never forgets to offer a paw every once in a while. Panda gets a special treat, a trip to the pet salon. A bit of pampering goes a long way for Panda. Panda's looking as fresh as a girl. After a little trim here and there, Panda's looking like a young girl now. At 10 years old, Panda's slower than she used to be. But in her heart, she's still that young pup who loves to explore and play. Now, she spends her days in quiet joy, sitting by her owner's side, enjoying the warmth of the sun and the love surrounds her. Panda loves to shake hands and sunbathing. Panda reminds us the joy and happiness. It's the simple thing that we all want now. Thanks for joining Panda and Cute Animal Zoo on their journey today. Be sure to come back again for more than just Panda.